What's up YouTube? Welcome to the LaceUp channel. Today we're going to discuss how to invoice a customer using a Par Level Invoice. To begin, you're going to take your LaceUp handheld, you're going to select the customer. Next, you're going to go to Menu, you're going to create Clock In. Following that, you're going to go to Menu Par Level Invoice, at which point the system will show you all the items that you have on par with this customer. To begin generating the invoice, you're going to start counting. So let's say we go and count the 101 whole milk and we only count 2. The system will automatically sell 3 because you counted 2 and the par level was 5. Now let's say we want to increase par level here for item 102 because it's been selling well, assuming that we counted 0. So we increased the par to 5, we counted 0, our old par was 3, and now our sold is 5. So we're going to go ahead and work our way down this list. Let's see how this item's been moving. Here are a couple of the previous transactions and kind of what's been going on. This is when I first set the par level, and then this is what I've been doing over time. So last time I counted 2 and I sold 2, and I continued my par level at 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the counted, put in the quantity, hit set. I tap the counted, put in the quantity, and hit set. When I'm done, you're going to get the total of the invoice right up here. And then I'm going to hit done. To finalize this invoice, we'll check mark it. We'll go to Finalize, yes. We'll collect the signature. We'll save the signature. If it's a COD account, we can collect the payment. Then we can print the invoice. And when we're done, we're going to hit done. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the next customer, Pete's Convenience Store. In this example, we're going to go to Menu, Par Level once again. And you're going to notice that right here, there's no items on par. So let's go ahead and add some. To add an item on par for a customer, you go Categories. You select your category. You select your item. You go right here to New Par. And you put in the quantity. And you hit Set. Now, I've sold 5. And I've generated a par level for this customer for the 101 whole milk gallon. Again, when I'm done, I hit Done. I check mark the invoice. I go to Finalize. I can collect the signature. If it's a COD account again, I can collect a payment. Let's do a check in this example with a check number. And when I'm done, I'm going to hit Save and Close. The next step is to print your invoice. And when you're done, we're going to hit Done. Here's the customer invoice. Finalized in green. This indicates we can now clock out. We're back out to our customer list. So that's how you do a par level invoice for your customers. To subscribe to our channel, please click down below or contact us. Phone numbers in the description. We look forward to seeing you soon and hearing from you to see how we can help you and your company. See you next time.